accuses CEM of encouraging intolerance and political hostility in Hills District. Villagers hold meeting to discuss compensation issue. EM Khon Sing Rongpi visits Hawarkehat, reviews ongoing construction work. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jili Hansepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. In an exploding statement, the All-Party Hills Leaders Conference has condemned Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council led by CM Tuliram Ronghang for his continued silence over the rising incidents of mob storming and preventing the peaceful meeting of the APHLC under his home constituency. This was stated at the APHLC press conference held at its office in Diphu here on Friday. The press conference was led by its president Jaya Kathar, Kursing Timung, spokesman Angtong Inti Kathar, organizing secretary Kursing Timung, Diphu LAC president Diori Teron, women wing secretary Rita Kramsapi, and others. Addressing to local media, APHLC spokesman Angtong Inti Kathar condemned the act and said that these incidents are a matter of great concerns for all the people of the district. Further, the spokesman said that CM Tuliram Ronghang have been speaking in all meetings that people should completely stop the political violence and boycott culture that was prevalent during 1986 and the following years. He said that the continued silence of CM Ronghang on the rising incidents against APHLC under his home constituency is contradictory to his statements and claims that he makes in all public meetings. The APHLC spokesman further alleged that his silence on the matter clearly indicates his clandestine support to such activities.
Condemn কৰিছো আৰু আমি ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছো গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে এখেতক এইটো গুণ্ডামি কাৰবাৰ গুণ্ডা লৈ পেলাই কাম নকৰিবলৈ কিবা এটা অৰ্ডাৰ দিব লাগে এইটো তাক ৰেষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কৰিব লাগে বুলি আমি অনুৰোধ জনাইছো গভৰ্ণমেণ্টক
লাসি নন CM Tuliram Ronghang family tum tapin ren na ko akebang lahan no batai sita kali hini dari thom dali non batai pop lengat lo tham khe bangke sita piniar ni anta Tuliram Ronghang ake hai piniar ni ta nije jena na son ta che kham khe bangke jok che pu piniar ni anta nije jena prodang te ang the ka bangke langat lo alang lita che don don lo lahan lo alang lika mat ha alang lika jakon det ka chari ron ilitum non 6 schedule aron bangke Chini nang jid ko bakit ninje dah kain. Akhirnya CM Tuliram Ronghang nang keman, mada SEM tum doa nang keman si council nang keman masih 6 itu aja kong pesen nang man. Ante laso 6 itu Chini ne pulo tebi tum kosong kacari pokente. Laso lah bang dona po itu kacari bang akan nang sort.
While expressing concerns over the rise of intolerance and threats to their party, APHLC spokesman Angtong Inti Kathar appealed for maintaining peace and harmony at all costs, has also appealed upon the people of the district to raise their voices and condemn these rising violent behaviors and mob mentality encouraged by the BJP. He concluded urging the Hills people to protect the sixth schedule and spread awareness and knowledge about its powers, purposes, and the threats from all forces. Earlier that day, a total of 92 persons who joined APHLC were given warm welcome by the party at a small ceremony held at its office. News Text Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Moving on, people of 3 villages under Obran constituency had on Thursday held a meeting to discuss the issue of compensation they are to receive from the APDCL. Here is a report from Jerkindeng. For the purpose generating electricity, a dam was constructed by the APDCL, which resulted in a large area of land belonging to the local residents being submerged by water. As per directives of an act in the constitution passed in the year 2013, the victims who had lost their land are eligible or have the right to get compensation.
Sia kep ang bong pen sikai si ku nelitum panang di PG ke nelitum ding tek tek.
Nasi nelitum pan compensation nang di PG lake na 1894 ahut British army gaslam tekang arai tating bang soron ting sini tu manang PG pulo tame la bang soron alu do wala bang so alu hello
Masih lelit mo kanang ipiye bangke 2009 10 mo lama ek rona ting besanang ipiye po manya ador be besana litum rada tu manang jahanga bangke lelit mo 2013 ek red ting besi litum mo kanke nang pinang ipo senil tum rada tum bangke nang hanglo
nele tum ke ako ko pen nele tum api apu pen kecu along le ahiti apot lang ne kapang lumpi apot senil tum pan ador ke kompen nele tum pan tangka nele kepigi buke la ke nele tum ke rap tum pen jakong isi apeng isi nele tum dosi nele tum ke deng pon te kusi nele tum cerai pon lo.
However, even after so many years of the completion of the dam, the EPDCL has failed to pay their compensation to the people of Rong Terme, Rong Jangpong and Chirim Tepi villages under Obran constituency. On top of that, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had informed them that the EPDCL are not paying the compensation fixed earlier. Villagers have thus condemned the failure of the authority and had said that if their compensation are not paid at the earliest, they will intensify their protests. They have even said that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has no need to interfere in the matter. Something in this report from Jiripindeng, Karbi Anglong Live. Countless coverage on the plight of the people of Karbi Anglong due to the extremely dilapidated condition of National Highway 36 have never seemed to be a matter of concern for the state government and local authority. But our media channel will also not grow weary and will continue highlighting it until the issues and plights of the people are here and acknowledged. Here's our latest from our Delhi correspondent. According to source, Anupam Nirman Private Limited secured a contract for its repair, but the construction work is going on a snail's pace, due to which massive potholes along the road have not been filled, leading to breakdown of several vehicles on a daily basis. On Friday, several vehicles were seen stuck and few trucks broke down, causing massive traffic jam for hours around Rongplimplam area. A truck driver who has been driving the road for the past 3 years said that the road has worsened and that breaking down of vehicles has become a daily story. Meanwhile, contractors and PWD officials reached the area, after which the potholes were filled up at level at 11 am, after which traffic resumed.
National 36 highway long se adablo kapen je ladak non theglong lo je towards tami pinang anak ni ladak intum theglong lo lage non abang so nikan kreng chokali lo aprang nikan kithompi la so aprang lompen lo dak ese dunga tisong lo lapan thejong kongres ai atun ben tame kisong kon tame ladak tangnat angthek kepami la so si theglong le la dip contract claim tum la Anupam Sharma tum situ alang tum la claim bom lo sitame la alang tum la ke claim sitame la la apor ka enjay pen apot non la decimet la dak amlukhi pen dimapura ke dai an ke pinaan kidam ke bang tum siksak nang lo
গাড়ী আহো দিল্লী 10টা দিল্লী ডিমাপুর এটা গাড়ী পাল্টি হল থাকিলে ৰাতি পাল্টি হৈ গৈছিলে অলপতে বাছিলে মানুহ চানো ধৰি দিল্লী হেফা কৰি আছে কিন্তু আমি ৰাতি যাবই নোৱাৰো এনেকা ৰাস্তা
আপ ডাউন কৰি থাকে না
দিল্লী আমি দিল্লী আছো সদায় আপ ডাউন কৰি আছে 3 বছৰ ধৰি 3 বছৰ হৈ গ'ল ৰেগুলাৰ মাছ লৈ গৈ আছো ডিমাপুৰ আমাৰ গাড়ী
3 বছৰ পৰা এইটো এনেকা চলি আছে নি
এনেকা চলি আছে ৰাস্তাটো আৰু আমাৰ ক্লাছ ডিস জলিল আৰু হেতু
3 বছৰ
হতে গৈ আছো গাড়ী সাস্টেল যেটো সাস্টেল গৈ আছো হেতু বাঙ্গিল সব আমি জানে জানে এতে আই আছো
NH36 is not only a lifeline for Karbi Anglong district, but it is also a major link for Assam, Nagaland and Manipur. This highway passes through Manja, Amlokhi, Dilai and Lahorijan areas before connecting with Dimapur, the commercial capital of Nagaland state. This road, however, has become almost unmotorable following decades of neglect by successive governments, and the conditions of the road is the result of the low quality of work carried out by the contractor, who has never been held accountable for the defective highway, which is visible to public. Countless protests have been held for its repair, including the recent protests organized by the Karbi Students Association and Congress Party, and like every time, nothing has changed. Bijay Rongpi reporting from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Humridam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers akuladalong nanglitum anam ki jongpen blanket mate kachiomapik kaching thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapen nanglitum jongsi akuladalong kedam japhan apordu redat pusitami matha ikri bangso akuladalong pen keton ke banabar sai setami long ikji Lasi Humri Damikha, the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim Lake, Dipu Ronghelan, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Adu. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. Further moving on, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in charge for Health and Family Welfare Khonsing Rongpi had on Thursday visited the Hawarkehat playground to take stock of the ongoing development works in the stadium. Here is a report. Under the CM Dream Project, an amount of rupees 10 crore each were sanctioned for construction of a mini stadium in all of the 26 constituencies of the two hill districts of Karbi Anglong. This was done under the initiative of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang to development sports facilities and promote sports in the region. Hawarkehat, the hometown of EM Khonsing Rongpi, was also selected for the project and the construction of the stadium underway. He had visited the site to see the progress of the work. While talking to our correspondent during his visit, EM Rongpi had appreciated the steps taken by the CM Ronghang to encourage the youths in the field of sports. He also thanked him for his caring about the people of Hawarkehat.
মই ইয়াত ষ্টেডিয়ামটো চাবলৈ আহিছিলোঁ আহি দেখি খুবেই ভাল লাগিছে আমি দনং হাওৰাঘাট সমষ্টি হৈ মাননীয় CM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council মাননীয় তুলিৰাম ৰংহাং ছাৰক আমি ধন্যবাদ কৃতজ্ঞতা দনং হাওৰাঘাট সমষ্টি হৈ আমি জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ কিয়নো তেখেতৰ খেল জগতত ইচ্ছা আৰু তেখেতৰ যি উদ্যোগ যি কাৰ্বি আংলং বাসী ৰাইজৰ কাৰণে যি লৈছে আৰু সেই তেখেতৰ উদ্যোগত আমাৰ ইয়াত হাওৰাঘাট সমষ্টিটো 10 কোটি টকাৰ এটা ষ্টেডিয়াম অৰ্থাৎ ইনডোৰ ষ্টেডিয়াম এটা অডিটৰিয়াম হল আৰু এটা পেভিলিয়ন যি দিছে সেইবাবে আমি ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ আৰু ইতিমধ্যে কামটো হৈ উঠিছে আমি এতিয়া উদ্ঘাটনৰ কাৰণে প্ৰস্তুত আছোঁ হাওৰাঘাট স্পৰ্ট এছ'চিয়েশ্যনে ইয়াৰ অলৰেডি জিম্মা লৈছে আৰু ইয়াত যি মানে কৰিব লগা আছে কণ্ট্ৰেক্টৰৰ লগত মিলি আমি অলপটো এটা আছে কৰিব লগা এইখিনি আমি তেখেতক অৱগত কৰাম আৰু আমি বহুত সুখী আৰু ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ যে তেখেতে CM ছাৰৰ উদ্যোগত আমাৰ ইয়াৰ হাওৰাঘাটৰ 10 কোটিৰ যি ষ্টেডিয়াম আমাক দিছে সেইটো আজি কমপ্লিট হৈ উঠিছে
The mini stadium is almost on the verge of completion. The open gallery as well as the indoor stadium only require final touches and electrification. It is expected by within a month or two, the work will be completed and soon be available for public use. Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawarkehat, Karbi Anglong Live. The Assam University Dipu campus is developing very fast into a major place of higher studies in Assam. Here is a report from our news desk. The authority is doing all means to develop the university and to equip with all modern facilities of learning. While talking to reporters, Pro-Vice Chancellor of Assam University Dipu campus, Professor Sivashish Biswas told that the construction of a 100-bedded boys' hostel is underway. And in addition to this, a proposal for the construction of girls' hostel has also been approved by the authority.
One major thing which is happening is a 100-bedded boys' hostel. The construction has started. CPWD is doing the construction. Another 100-bedded girls' hostel has been approved. The money also has been given by the ministry. So very soon the order will go to CPWD. They will start the construction. There is approval for central laboratory for 4 science-based departments: physics, life science, geography and anthropology. And there would be vertical extension of the two existing science buildings, physics and life science. Apart from that, what we have done recently, we have a very deep borewell, and that would give us a lot of water. So it is already in position. We are very proud of it, proud of our engineer. We have created a lot of very good water sources. So water problem till now is almost solved. Apart from that, we have extended the canteen. I'm sure you might have seen that the canteen previously has been extended, so a lot of students can sit there comfortably. Another grant has come, that is under Swachh Bharat. 10 lakh rupees, very good bathroom is to be constructed. So that is under Swachh Bharat scheme. So we shall have to see where we shall place it, and it will start very soon. It has to start very soon. It has to start by within September, October it has to start.
The PVC also said that proposal for construction of separate building for the Assamese, English, History, Political Science, Commerce and Hindi departments have been submitted. Sharing about the recent developments in the campus, the PVC also told that Assam University Diphu campus has a well-equipped library which has been recently upgraded. More seating arrangements have been done, and also the inner deck of the hall has been made air-conditioned. Apart from that, he shared that a grant of Rs 10 lakhs have come under the Swachh Bharat mission for construction of bathroom. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top news for this morning. This is Julie Hansapi signing off for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.